Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to find your deposit address on MEXC. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your mobile device and log into your account. After you're signed into the MEXC account, go ahead and tap on the Wallets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the wallet, go ahead and click on Deposit Now. Now, from the pop-up, choose a deposit method. I'm just going to select on-chain deposit, and on the next page, select a deposit cryptocurrency you want to find the deposit address for. For example, I've chosen USDT. After making a selection, choose the network if multiple options are available. Once you do that, you'll see your deposit address with a QR code on the next page. Tap on the Copy button right next to Manage Addresses, and this will copy your deposit address in your device's clipboard. You can also let anyone scan the QR code to send funds from another wallet or receive some funds from them. Each cryptocurrency has a different deposit address. Don't reuse addresses for other coins. For stable coins like USDT, choose the network you prefer. Deposit addresses are account specific, not profile specific. So that's how you easily find your deposit address on MEXC, and now you can safely deposit cryptocurrency into your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.